Oh, jeez, dude, you scared the crap out of me.
So what are we doing? We hunting? I got a bow. I'm awesome with this thing.
Yes, we're hunting. So, it's nighttime. There are mobs everywhere. Step lightly, bro.
Oh, right. Gotcha. Rabbit.
Dude, hostile mobs. We don't care about rabbits.
Dude, they have really sharp teeth.
Sure, but they're not hostile.
You don't know what kind of day this rabbit's had. He could be really upset about something.
He's not upset about anything. He's just a
Maybe
rabbit.
he's been looking for a carrot all day and can't find one. Now he's ready to bite into anything. You ever think about that? You see any carrots around?
Carrots? Are you kidding me?
Do you
think
see
this
any carrots
rabbit is
around?
upset about not finding carrots?
Do you
You're being
see
ridiculous.
any carrots around?
This is a waste of time.
Yeah, waste
It
of
is
time.
a waste
I'm
of time.
protecting us here. You're
We've
trying to
got
make
work to do, and you're worried about rabbits?
Zombie, move right.
Ow, man!
I said move right. You moved left.
I thought you meant you're right.
Why would I say to move to my right? That makes no... Fine, whatever, never mind. Move left.
Ow, my God, what is happening right now?
Duck. Oh, dude, I'm so sorry. I was trying to shoot through your legs to hit that duck.
That's chicken.
Oh, right. Sorry, I always get those mixed up.
That's alright, buddy. I didn't really like this part of my head anyway.
Man, I really did a number on you. I'm gonna get you out of this, man. Not today, Skelly. Oh. Looks like this zombie wants to take a bite out of my friend. Take a bite out of this! Is steps to the plate, crowd goes wild, and boom! Hey, buddy. How you feeling? You've been out a while.
What? Where am I?
You're back home. You had a rough time out there. We were hunting together.
What happened?
Well, but first tell me what you remember.
Something about you're right, and I don't know, ducks and chickens?
Oh man, you should have seen it. We were out hunting, and I was nearly invisible. You were a little loud, but you got the hang of it. Then a zombie surprise attacked us. Fastest zombie I'd ever seen. You freaked out, tripped, and hit your head. So then I was like, I got this. You were a little loopy, but still wanted to help. You just kept shooting arrows into the air, all of which came down and kept hitting you. I wasn't worried, though. I knew I had it under control.